Good morning, dear students. I am Miss Deepthi from DIPS Karol Bagh. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss back exercise of Geography Chapter 1 Resources Introduction. So, in the back exercise, the first thing is the important terms to know. Resources. Resources means anything that satisfies human needs. Environment, all abiotic things that surround an organism. Technology, the application of the latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things. Sustainable development, the type of development that does not harm environment. Next is say the answer. Name a natural resource that cannot be exhausted. Answer is sunlight, wind, water, air, etc. Name a natural resources, natural mineral, raw material. Answer is soil, forest. Name a potential resource, solar energy. What is an ultimate resource? Ultimate resource is the resource which is greatest among the sources. What is the aim of sustainable development? The aim of sustainable development is to create awareness about the proper use of the resources. Next is MCQs. MCQs. The first MCQ is, which of the following is the biotic resource? Options are mountain, water, wind, bamboo plant. The correct answer is bamboo plant. This is an ubiquitous resource. Options are iron, coal, air or gold. Answer is air. Which of the following is a man-made resource? Waterfall, coal, fire, Panama Canal. So Panama Canal is a man-made canal and rest of the are natural nature gifts to us. Fourth is which of the following is a renewable resources? Renewable resources that can be reused or renew after its use. So tidal energy, option is tidal energy, coal, natural gas or petroleum. The tidal energy is the correct answer. Tidal energy means the energy which we get from the sea waves. Which of the following is a potential resources? Mumbai High, Richard Dam, Indira Gandhi Canal or waterfall? The correct answer is waterfall. Fill in the blanks. Development of techniques have converted gift of nature into valuable resources. Dash can be generated by the force of water falling. Answer is hydroelectricity. Third, early human used the things of dash in the form of resources. Nature. Fourth, dash is the base of all resources on the earth. Answer is nature. Fifth, the biotic resources are capable of dash reproduction. Answer is reproduction. Sixth, the technology is an important dash resource. Man-made resource. Answer is man-made resource. Write one word answer. A thing which we use to meet our needs. Natural resources. A thing which we use to meet our needs. Natural resources. Answer is natural resources. A thing or goods used to produce other things. Answer is resources. Third, a thing that can be revived. Answer is renewable resources. Fourth, a thing which is used and whose value is known. Answer is actual resources. So after that there is the three more sections are there. E section is distinguished between the natural and man-made resources. So natural resources are those resources which we get from the nature, and man-made resources are those resources which are made by the men. So example of natural resources are coal, petrol, diesel, etc. Whereas man-made resources, building, bridge, canals are there. Biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources, all the living organisms are known as biotic resources. Abiotic resources, all the non-living organisms are known as abiotic resources. Example of biotic resources are plants, animals, whereas abiotic resources, coal, petrol, etc. Potential and actual resources. Potential resources are those resources which exist in the nature, but we are not fully utilize them. And actual resources are the resources which is in use and whose value is known to us. The example of potential resources is waterfall, and the example of actual resources is coal. Localized and abacute resources. Localized resources are the resources which are found at a particular area, that is known as localized resources. Abacute resources are those resources which we get everywhere. Example of localized resources are coal mine, iron ore, etc. And abacute resources are air, wind. Next is write a short note on the human resources and conservation of resources, and the rest is the question answers of this chapter. There are 6 question answers in this chapter. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.